What role does the government play in formulating and implementing green economy policies? The government plays in formulating and implementing green economy policies are as follows. It develops policies and funds the implementation of plans and policies. It establishes missions, such as the Green India Mission and the National Solar Mission, to carry out green economy projects, and it collaborates with scientists and educates the public on environmentally sound practices, pollution management, chemical-free farming. What is a green economy? The term green economy refers to a low-carbon, resource-efficient and socially inclusive economy. In a green economy, public and private investment in economic activities, infrastructure and assets that allow for lower carbon emissions and pollution, improved energy and resource efficiency and the preservation of biodiversity and ecosystem services drive employment and income growth. What is the role of NGT? The National Green Tribunal functions similarly to a court in disputes involving environmental preservation, forest conservation and other natural resource conservation. It adjudicates environmental disputes and may levy substantial fines on those who cause environmental harm, take action to stop and rectify environmental damage, or even imprison such individuals. Why do we need to perform waste management? Waste management reduces the impact of waste on the environment, health, etc. It can also help to reuse or recycle resources such as paper, cans, glass, etc. There are different types of waste management techniques, including the disposal of solid, liquid, gaseous or hazardous substances. How can TRBILS achieve economic independence in a green economy? Tribes should revitalize their local economy. I promote local products. By developing and using our local products, tribal dependence on outside produce reduces. This will make them self-reliant. What is the role of private agencies in a green economy? For the success of fostering a green economy, private agencies, non-governmental organizations, social workers, and individual people must collaborate with the government. Functions of private agencies: enforcing laws and policies enacted by the government, ensuring that government regulations are followed by engaging in official missions, reporting individuals or groups that violate the law, educating people and raising awareness about green economy initiatives, informing the government and assisting it in implementing green policies. What is the function of the National Green Tribunal? The National Green Tribunal is part of NAPC. It functions similarly to a court in disputes involving environmental preservation, forest conservation and other natural resource conservation. It adjudicates environmental disputes and may levy substantial fines on those who cause environmental harm, take action to stop and rectify environmental damage. Forests that are sustainably managed can continue to support populations and ecosystems without harming the environment or the climate. List 3 ways. Cut fewer trees by reducing, reusing and recycling paper. Avoid purchasing goods such as ivory, which can only be obtained by hurting animals. Purchase only products that have been collected in a safe manner, such as honey that has been collected without destroying beehives.